Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how you can give your online retest. So in order to give your online retest, so the first application that you need to install in your phone is Skype. So I will go to the Play Store and I will simply search for Skype. So these are the results which shows the application which I will download is Skype, free IM and voice calls. So this is the first application that I have to download, and the second application that I will download is Retest. So this is the application that you need to download, and the third application that you need to download is Adobe Scan. So this is the application that you need to download, Adobe Scan, PDF Scanner, OCR. So after successfully downloading this three applications, so after installing all the three applications, what you need to do is you need to get login to your Skype account. In case you don't have an account of Skype, you have to create an account of Skype. So in order to start your online retest examination, the first thing you need to do is you need to join this Skype link which will be provided in the group. So as soon as you join this Skype successfully, then you have to open your mobile browser. So after joining the Skype conversation by using the link which will be provided in the group, the next thing you need to do is you need to visit this link which will say Army Public School Jorhat. So as soon as you click on Army Public School Jorhat, so this is how the link will look like. So as soon as you open the link, it will direct you to the official webpage of Army Public School Jorhat. In this webpage you will see a button which will say Open Online Retest Portal. You have to click on this button. So as soon as you click on this button, you will get a button which says Begin Exam. So in order to start your exam, you need to click on this button which will say Begin Exam. So as soon as you click on Begin Exam, you will get the login page of the online retest portal. So in here you have to use your username and password that you have set to register yourself. So here you have to enter your username and password. After that you have to click on the login button. So as soon as you click on the login button, you will land on the question paper page with the timer. So you have to finish your question paper within this time period. So as soon as you finish your time period, your question paper will get disposed automatically. Now many of you have doubt like how the question paper will be and how we will appear for the test. Is it MCQ or is it subjective or is it objective? So let me clear, this question paper will be completely subjective type and the exam pattern will be completely same as you give the exam in school. So after completing the test, what you need to do is you need to open this AnyDesk app. So as soon as you open this AnyDesk app, you will get this ID. You have to share this ID through the video conferencing app. You have to share this ID with us. After you share this ID, what we will do is we will control your smartphone. So the next thing what you have to do is you have to open Adobe Scan and you have to scan your answer sheets and the pages of your answer sheets that you have written. So this way you will scan each and every page of your answer sheet. So as soon as you finish scanning your answer sheet, you have to save the PDF and you have to share the PDF in the link that will be provided. So this was all about your online retest. I hope the steps are clear. So in case you have any kind of queries, you can ping me through WhatsApp.